Hi everyone, so welcome back to the eye makeup series, and we are going to do the wing liner and the under eye smudging in this video. First you need to take in the kryolan ka cake liner and the rose water or the liner brush. To activate the cake liner you need to put few drop of rose water in it and make a line above your eyelashes. Now tell the client to open his or her eye to make a wing. You can see in the video, draw a line connected with the another line. Again tell client to close the eye. Now correct it. When you feel the eye is too watery, don't do liner in the inner of the eye. As you can see, I stopped. Now starting the under eye smudging, I have taken the Forever 52 ka gel liner in liner brush and applying it to the waterline, the lower lash line. Now taking the smudge brush, again going to give some depthness to the eye. As I feel it required more. Now going to take the smudge brush, you can see, with darkest brown eyeshadow. Going to smudge the liner in such a way. This is a very basic step of under eye smudging. You can do it with any color according to eye makeup. You want to add some depthness, you can choose the darkest brown or the black color. You can see the complete step. Right now we are covering some eye liners tutorial. After this we will begin from eye makeup. Now we are applying the mascara to the lower lashes. See how it can transform the look. Now here is the complete look. The liner, lashes and the under eye smudging. The lenses, you can see the final. Thank you so much everyone.